This is Multi Andrew, and we are gonna smash that microwave. And you're gonna do most of it, aren't you, Andrew?
Yeah, I feel like a Jedi today. I get to smash a hunk of junk. Okay, ready for this?
Okay, today I'm actually using my new digital camera, so this is gonna be funner than the last video where I had to move the camera so much from my laptop. So let's start. Smash it!
Oh, diesel pizza, I broke my stick. Now I gotta use some heavy. I just want my soda can. I found it. I got it. Now crap like this piece of hunk. Yeah! I feel like I'm at a rodeo. Wind it up.
Hit it already!
I broke my stick. Okay.
Use your real stick.
It's getting a big boot. Ow, my big toe! That's what you get. Rednecks don't like things like this. Especially when they think they're better than everybody else. Especially when you're smarter.
Okay, Andrew, rip it off! There goes that. Whoa, Andrew, slow down. This camera goes so fast.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Pick up your big stick.
One minute. I gotta do something first. Okay, I feel better now. Yeah.
This is awesome. This is YouTube.
It dang! My food's done. That ain't working. I need a stitchy. Here I go again.
Hold on. Let me bring it up to the guys. I'm gonna have to censor you for a second so you can bring it upstairs so we can roll it down it. Actually, forget it. We can't. We'll do it in the middle. Andrew, bring it up here where I'm at.
Yeehaw!
Okay, ready? Go.
Hey, you stupid microwave. Ow! That was my finger.
Let me do it. You hold the camera now.
Okay.
Aim this at that.
Redneck gotta take a break.
I call this the picture.
Okay. Redneck caught his breath and ready to come back into action.
Okay. Andrew's back. Oh yeah. Not so much. I have to clean this up afterwards.
Okay.
Sorry if I shivered.
Okay. Straight chin!
Not so loud.
Okay. I think it's done.
Wait. Now it's done. Okay, guys. That was me and Andrew. Andrew, what do you want to say?
I love breaking stuff. Especially microwaves. It smashed my finger, that's why I smashed it. Stupid gun.
Okay.
I got one more
See
thing.
you guys.
I got one more thing to
See
say.
ya. What?
Yeehaw!
Okay, see you later. Bye.